Welcome to another quick session. In this session, I will demonstrate how to recompile the NRG editor from scratch. The first step is to head over to nrgcore.com and log into your NRG account. Under the download section, based on your credentials, you will have access to the latest stable source and the master. I am a licensed developer, so I have access to both. I am going to copy the git command to get access to the master, and I'm going to head over to my desktop here, and I'm going to create a new folder that I'm going to call master. Open it up, and I am going to launch a terminal at that location and simply paste the git clone command. Next, I am prompted to enter my username, which is the same username as your NRG account. And the password is also the same as your NRG account. Once your credentials have been approved, the server will send you over the source code. And now I'm going to demonstrate how to set up Visual Studio Code to rebuild the NRG editor from scratch. So we're going to fire up Visual Studio Code. It is my first launch. I am going to mark that as done, and I'm going to open folder on my desktop, master, NRG Core, and these are basically all the projects that you can rebuild from scratch. We are going to select the NRG editor and we're going to open it. Trust the source. And now, before getting started, we are going to install some extension to support C++, build and debug. Install the one that is provided from Microsoft. Next, we are going to install Cmake support. Search for Cmake and also select the one that is provided by Microsoft. Once this is done, I will go back to my Explorer, and right here at the bottom, I am going to first select that I want to build a debug version. The kit that I'm going to select is, in my case, GCC. And I am simply going to build the NRG editor. Once this is done, I am going to select my target to be the NRG editor, which is my main executable. I am going to jump to my Explorer and main. I am going to go for my main function, and I'm going to set up a breakpoint at the window creation here. And I'm simply going to hit the little bug button to start the NRG editor and launch the debugger. Once it is launched, we can see that it hit the breakpoint. If I push F10, we can see that I can step through my code here. And if I disable that and simply push play, here we are having the NRG editor that is fully operational. Take note that I was on Ubuntu to do this presentation. However, the same mechanism will apply for Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X. Since Visual Studio Code is cross-platform and the extensions presented in this video are also cross-platform, the build procedure will be the same.